guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be working on the Skyline again. Hopefully today we're actually going to be getting the interior out, at least get the dash and the carpet out of it, hopefully. Yesterday I just kind of started taking out interior panels. I uncovered some of the old fire damage and talked about it a little bit. It was a fun video. If you want to see it, go watch it. Anyway, let's jump right into it. Alright, so I took out the center vent and I got both those gauges that were in there out. While I was taking this out, I totally gigged the fucking vents. I was trying really hard to be careful, but I slipped a bit and just they just yeeted. So yeah, luckily it's not too bad. Two of the clips, or shit, I guess 3 of the clips are missing on the bottom, but it's still held in pretty secure from the top. So I'm just gonna give it a rip and see if I can actually like put this bad boy back together, because I do have all the pieces here. We'll see what happens. Fixed it. Pretty stoked about that. It is functional and definitely a little bit fragile, but I'll try to find a way to amend this issue. That was kind of a pain. Things are getting serious in here. The dash is maybe ready to come out. I think I have everything off, but I haven't really wiggled it too much, so I don't know. We'll see. This seems like it's pretty freaking loose, man. Seems to be. Oh. Ah! Oh no! I should have dropped the column! I love the sound of this ratchet. It's a good one. I could jam out to that all day long. What the heck? This is going poorly. Yes. Welcome. Well, I got Wallace here to help. And my mom. Thanks, Mom.
Sorry.
Could I use your help?
Yeah.
Can you grab that dash?
Yeah. Here, give me the dash.
Thank you very much.
I'll totally take the dash.
Okay.
Give me a dash.
Sweet. Thanks, Mom. How's the Skyline looking, Wallace? You okay with it? Good enough? Maybe later. Alright, so the dashboard is finally out of the Skyline. Wasn't too bad. Next thing to do, I think all I have to do is remove this guy, and I should be able to take the carpet out, aside from the handbrake. The handbrake might be a bit of an issue, because as you can see, the lines go up and down and through the floor, through the carpet, through a hole in the carpet that was drilled to pull these lines through and connect them. I would really prefer not to disconnect these lines. So I think I'm gonna cut a slit from here to here, and I'm gonna try to fit the handbrake through that little slit and hole. We'll see how that works. I'm too interested. I want to see how much standing water is under here. You guys ready? Oh, wait, whoa. Hold up. Gotta get the clip nicely. Like a good boy. Yeah, it's totally gonna break it. Great. See how much standing water is in this corner of the Skyline. Oh boy. Oh boy. Would you just look at that? Hey man, at least there's not like a ton of rust down there. And the carpet, whoo-wee, sure does smell bad. Oh my gosh, that smells bad. Cover that up. But wow, that smells really bad. All right, so that was fun. We'll take care of that later once we get the rest of the carpet out. All right, guys. I'm trying to pull the carpet up right now. I have everything unhooked out of the way. It should be able to come up, but it's definitely not going to be the easiest thing to do because we don't have a ton of space to work with. That side is super wet, and there's a hydro here that we need to fit through this little hole. I think it's going to fit. I'm pretty bummed I had to make this hole, but it is what it is. Let's see what we can do. You know, if I was a smart guy, I'd just take the handle off. Am I a smart guy? No, not smart. I'm determined and busy. Oh, we did it, boys. It's looking sketchy, and it's smelling so bad. Ooh. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. It's stuck to a vent from a similar exhaust situation as to the back seats, but in the front of the car. This car has caught on fire a couple times. I forgot about that. That was like one of the first drift events in this car. There's so much carpet burnt to this vent, it's crazy! I can't get it off either. Having a really hard time. That's a bummer, guys. We got another hole in the carpet, but there was nothing I could do about that one. It was burnt. Stuck. Oh my gosh, I think I got it. I'm gonna move the camera. Come on, sweetheart, don't be a pain. This is not a pretty sight, but this is a carpet, indeed. We did it! We got the carpet! Yes! Whoop-de-doo. Time to find a place to put it. The carpet is out and laid on the floor. It was hard getting this out. Here's that hole I was talking to you guys about. Once upon a time, the downpipe made the bottom of the car really hot, and then this guy melted to this guy over here, which is like a heat vent guy. Oops. I'll tell you guys what though, I'm pretty stoked that the carpet is out of the car. Not only the dash, but not only that, but the dash is also out of the car. That feels good. I was worried about both of those things. Now the car is completely gutted. Well, yeah, mostly gutted. And it smells so bad now. This water is so disgusting. Samsquanch just walked in.
Smells like a swamp in here.
Yeah, it's not so good, man. I'm trying to take care of that right now.
Ooh. I'll get some dehydration, some of that stuff.
Yeah. Hey, it's stripped though, huh?
Yeah,
You see that, man?
Yeah, it's pretty great. I'm impressed. And you labeled things.
I labeled the shit out of things.
You labeled things. You love your future self.
I'm trying to look after the guy.
The guy.
He's delicate, man.
My future self is a sad bitch.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, I see what loose means now.
Loose means loose.
Because you made it that way, right?
Yeah, to take the dash out.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll take it back. I'll loosen it all the way again to put the dash back in.
Right. How's the access? Like, what do you think?
I honestly don't think we're gonna access any of the spot welds from this side.
Really? Okay.
But we'll need to make sure nothing catches on fire from this side.
This car's had enough fires.
This car, yeah, I was just talking about that. I forgot about when it caught on fire on the passenger side by Schwab's feet.
This is great. Oh my God, you have actual sun visors. I don't have sun visors. You know what we didn't appreciate enough about this car? And maybe they were all slick tops. Well, that too.
Yeah, it is a slick top. That's
it's
true.
A slick top. We didn't appreciate that enough. It was just a Skyline. That was enough to be happy about without a slick top. But I've been thinking about that.
Yeah.
Slick tops are pretty.
Sunroof, son.
This is very exciting.
It is very exciting. It makes me feel quite a bit better. It also makes it smell way worse.
It reeks. Like, it really smells in here. It's surprising. Huh. Well, I don't really see rust, which is kind of amazing and great.
No, it's great. I don't see any either.
I don't see the remotest bit of it.
So, lucky us, I guess.
Yeah, how did that happen? You did a good job with the hydro. This is a caveman-ass bracket, but it really works well. It
is a super ghetto bracket. But, like, it does exactly what it needs to do, man.
What do you need?
It bolts into the stock location, and then it bolts to the hydro.
And you painted it so it didn't rust. I mean, it's in that way, it is perfect. No, it's pretty neat.
Thanks, Dad.
Thanks, Dad.
What? I use it a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to close this. We're less nasty. Just like that. Alright guys, we did it. We got the carpet out and we got the dash out as well. I'm gonna call it for today. It's starting to get a little bit late. I'm gonna try to edit this video for tomorrow. Pretty stoked with where we're at. I'm glad I got all the rest of the water out of the back of the car, and furthermore, stoked that there's no rust that was like hidden under the carpet or anything. So things are looking good. Tomorrow I'm hoping that I can kind of get my head wrapped around what we're actually gonna do with this car, because the hope is that we can find a way, we can strategize a way to take out all the spot welds around the shock towers and basically slide part of the front clip off of the good front clip that we have, and then kind of slide it into the Skyline. So tomorrow I'm gonna try to take a good look at this car, take a good look at the front clip, and get a real game plan, a solid game plan for us to start to work towards. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate all the nice words over like the last week. The feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. It's badass, and it means a lot. I don't think I have much more to say, but I'll see you guys in the next video, and like, comment, and subscribe. And the carbon, whoo-wee, sure does smell bad. Oh my gosh, that smells bad. Cover that up. Wow, that smells really bad.